Hello everybody. Today we are going to see about the unboxing video of Zybio TBIL vanillate oxidation method, a chemical product. Over here we can see the brand name Zybio TBIL vanillate oxidation method chemistry. This is the front overall front view. Here we can see the top view. In the top view we can see the short form of TBIL. Product name Total Bilirubin vanillate oxidation method. This reagent contains 30 ml into 3, 7.5 ml into 3. Reference number 09.00.21.EC.01. Then lot number, manufacturing date, expiry date. One instruction manual inside this kit. This is a C certificate IVD product. We should maintain the temperature of the kit between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. That's why I am using ice pack to maintain the temperature of this kit. Here we can see the manufacturing address, Zybio International. This kit is manufactured from Republic of China, so the origin of the kit is Republic of China. This is the overall details in top view. Here we can see the other angles. In this side we can see the brand name of Zybio. In this side we can see the product category chemistry. In this side we can see the brand name of Zybio. This is the overall view of this product. Now I am going to unpack this for your reference. So after unpacking we can see clearly the reagents. I am going to take this out. After unpacking we can see clearly the reagents and instruction manual. On instruction manual we can see the brand name Zybio. Reference number was 01.00.21.EC.01. Reagent 30 ml into 3 units, 7.5 ml into 3 units. System Zybio EXC 200-220. Here we can see the indent use, summary, principle, storage and validity. So I am going to keep this aside. The next one, a Zybio TBIL reagent 1 30 ml into 3 units. Each unit contains 30 ml. And Zybio TBIL reagent 2 7.5 ml 3 units. Each unit contains 7.5 ml. Here we go for summary. Today we can see about the Zybio TBIL Total Billrubin. Reagent 1 contains 30 ml into 3 units. Reagent 2 contains 7.5 ml into 3 units. Hear that. So this is the overall view. Thank you.